Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to add rows to existing table in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to add rows to this existing table. Click any cell, go to the layout menu, then click the insert above rows option, and we can see we insert above rows. You can insert below, click the below option. Now we can see we added rows to existing table very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.